Music mogul posting up a storm since jetting into Kingston. DJ Khaled's arrival coming as the date of Buju Banton's first homecoming concert as a free man is announced.
DJ Khaled jets in to hang with his, quote, brother Buju Banton, sending social media into meltdown. Speculation rife about possible implications of the music producer's visit for Banton's career prospects going forward. Khaled posting clips of his Jamaican jaunt, including a visit to DJ Sizzler's Judgment Yard, and Tracks and Records, mugging for pics with Usain Bolt and Bounty Killer. Khaled also getting in a bit of R&R, again taking to Instagram to rave about the idyllic seaside surroundings and his accommodations, a villa owned by Sandals boss Butch Stewart.
Look how beautiful this is.
Stewart, for his part, couldn't resist responding.
DJ Khaled, put short your Sandals results. They don't want me to sell in the house. But I'm going to sell in the house. Another one.
Khaled, long a fan of dancehall culture, but his fortune made from hip-hop and pop. So what can he offer Buju Banton?
Well, DJ Khaled offers Buju Banton a platform. He offers him an avenue into a market that he doesn't physically have anymore, but his music and his brand, he offers him a brand association that I think stands to be profitable. Bear in mind also that if you're just looking at social media, DJ Khaled has 13.2 million followers on social media. He posts videos, he loves Jamaica, he has a connection that is believed to be authentic. He is very pro-Rastafari. He is on vacation, but it's a working vacation as I'm told, and he is recording Father of Assad, another album. And since he's been in Jamaica, over 4 days he has made 34 posts, inclusive of several videos, none of which has been viewed less than 200,000 times. One has been viewed almost 500,000 times. Buju could do well with some of those crossover followers.
We the best!
There are serious talks underway about where Buju's career goes from here, which is good. I've been following Buju on social media, and you've been seeing the teasers. They've been getting stronger and stronger, and now you see confirmation that there will be a concert in March 2019, that people have something to actually tangibly start looking forward to.